Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo V40e 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Right now, even when your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. But if you want to disable this, then simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of lock screen settings. Click on this and then disable this open control center from lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center and change any of those settings. When you are on home screen, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the top and open this control center and notification center, but there's a gesture for that. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of swipe downwards on home screen. Click on this. By default it is selected global search. You have to select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area, then it will open your notification center as well as your control center. You can also enable shake to turn on your flashlight feature. By default this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on smart motion and there you will see the option of shake to turn on the flashlight. Simply enable this. Now whenever you're on home screen or lock screen, you can simply shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. You can use it whenever you are on home screen or whenever you are on lock screen. By default this phone doesn't show your battery percentage in your status bar, but if you want to enable this, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Scroll down and there you will see the option of status bar. Click on this and then click on battery style and percentage. Here you can select display outside battery. You can also change the battery styles and you can also select for horizontal if you want to show your battery percentage inside the battery icon. If you will come back from here, you will see the option of show real-time network speed. If you will enable this, then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar, so you don't have to download any third-party app to monitor your internet speed in this smartphone. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen a feature, so you don't have to keep on pressing your power button to lock your smartphone. By default this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on smart motion and then select smart screen on or off. Now firstly enable double tap to wake and also enable this double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Simply open your settings, click on display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. If you enable this, then it will turn all the whites into black of your smartphone. So with the help of this feature, you can decrease the pressure on your eye. Second one is eye protection. If you enable this, then it will turn the screen a little bit warmer. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eye. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot to protect your eyes. You can also fully customize your lock screen, change the clock style, write your name here and change these quick applications. If you want to customize this, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. Click on lock screen settings and then select custom lock screen. Here if you want to change the clock style, then click on this. Here you can change the styles, you can change the font and you can also change the color of these fonts. After this, click on this cross button. Now if you wanna write your name or any code, then select add quick information, click on signature and then write anything and then click on OK. Click on this cross again. Now if you wanna change these quick access application, then select this one and then select the application or the feature you wanna set here. And after this, click on apply. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen in this smartphone. You can also make a clone of any application and log in with two different accounts. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this, then it will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Simply select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the clone of your smartphone. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two Facebooks now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. You can also use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Simply open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this, and then select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. By default, this feature is enabled. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Simply swipe to the left to open the sidebar. Here it has selected some default application. If you want to edit this, then click on this arrow and then click on edit. You can remove unnecessary application from here and also add your favorite application here. Now if you will click on done, then it will save that application here. Now if you will open for any application from the sidebar, then it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners. You can drag and drop it anywhere. You can also keep on using your smartphone and it will remain as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. So that's how you can multitask in the smartphone with the help of this smart sidebar feature. If you're using 3-button navigation and if you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to select the gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system navigation and then scroll down. Here you can change the order. You can also change the style of these 3 buttons. Now if you want to select the gesture navigation, then simply select the gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, swipe up like this to open the recent application, and then swipe up like this to jump to the home screen. If you will long press the power button of this smartphone, then it will launch the voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. But if you want to set this as your power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of press and hold power button. Simply click on this. Again click on press and hold power button. By default it has selected Google Assistant. You have to select enable power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your voice assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can simply press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. If you want to change these transition on your home screen, then simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of sliding effects. Click on this. Here you have different options. You can select your favorite one and then come back to your home screen. Now it will set to that transition effect. This phone comes with always on display feature, and by default this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on wallpaper and lock screen and then click on always on display. Firstly enable always on display and then select always on display styles. Here you have really cool looking styles. You can select your favorite one. You can further customize it. You can change the color of these fonts. You can change the styles as well from here. After this, click on this apply button, and now whenever your phone will be locked, then it will show that specific always on display feature. But keep in mind this will also consume your battery little bit extra as well. If you want to read the deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc., then you can do that without downloading any third-party app, but you must be using this feature called notification history. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable this use notification history. Now if someone will message you, then it will save all those messages here and you will be able to read them even after they will delete it. You can use your volume down button to turn on your flashlight when your phone is locked, and again long press your volume down button to turn it off. If your home screen looks like this and you want to rearrange all these apps, then simply pinch in on your home screen and then shake your phone a little bit like this. Then it will automatically rearrange all your application in this smartphone. So these were some tips and hidden feature of Vivo V40e 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.